Hi guys, how are you? This is your girl Sonal from Sosa Candles. Well, this has been a long time coming and I'm really excited to shoot this video even. So I'm in my workspace and it feels like today is just the perfect day because I've been dealing this for far too long now. Um, we've always kind of learned candle making. We've always kind of seen the process, the BTS and how it all kind of binds together into your self-care routine. And see, on a natural day as well, everyone including you and me are always kind of stressed, whether it is work stress, home stress, or something or the other that kind of keeps bothering us. Just to add to that, I kind of felt that the ingredients that we use, sorry, the products that we use on a daily basis just for our skincare are just not really cutting it anymore. Maybe it's because they are just way too much infused with a lot of chemicals, or just the water content in these lotions and moisturizers are is so high that it really does not provide the kind of nourishment that we want. And every time we see our legs or our hands, you will see that there's this big white cast and a lot of dryness. Our hands kind of feel stretchy all the time. And yeah, like I discussed in my previous video, I really just wanted to find a solution for this, such that not only we have a good time taking care of ourselves, but we also kind of enjoy it. I won't really waste a lot of time creating a lot of suspense. But yeah, the first product that we are going to launch in our skincare category is going to be our body massage candle. Well, I really wanted to kind of bind, the love that kind of comes from self-care, and the relaxation that kind of comes when you get a body massage into a candle. And that's what I have always kind of tried to work on. I did a lot of testing and I had a lot of guinea pigs around the family who kind of tested my products and gave me a lot of feedback. And now I think my recipe is really great. Again, when I talk about this body massage candle as well, it does not include any kind of chemicals or any kind of things that's going to harm your skin. Whilst we don't really understand the things that are mentioned on the back of any product that we use, but the products that we are going to use here in our body massage candle is fairly simple and fairly straightforward. This are only going to be things that are really your body loving ingredients, and they're going to provide you a spa like experience. Because see, again, self care should be something that you can indulge in and that you can enjoy, rather than something that you just do in a forced way. So yeah, I think a body massage candle is just going to be the right fit for that. um, I wanted to show you all this because you all have always been this digital family of mine, and yeah, it just makes me so happy that I'm able to document this journey online and share them with you all as well. So yeah, today we're going to be making these in my workspace. I'm in the shop today. There's just one more thing, like I said, because we're going to be launching it very soon. This is just a small twist to how we're going to do things. Knowing that I have constraints on the production front, I really just don't want to focus on the quantity. Instead, I want to focus on quality. With us, we've always kind of focused on raising the bar instead of compromising on quality. And hence, what we're going to do is we're going to be launching a waiting list. This will ensure that we are able to create our body massage candles in a more sustainable, practical way instead of overworking ourselves. And this will also give you all an opportunity to try these products firsthand, and yeah, in just a more sustainable manner. Because again, mental health is important, not just for you all but for us as well. So yeah, I think this is how we want to do this. At the end of this video, I'm going to share you all how to kind of enter the wait list, because this is how we want to take things further. Because I think the more we kind of scale, the more we see we are kind of overburdened with a lot of work. And I just want to be able to streamline this whilst we are still humble and still kind of in the growing stage. And what better way to kind of be able to share our struggles with you all. So, without wasting any further time, let us get in and see how we are, getting into making this beautiful body massage candle.
Every great product starts with intention.
Right now, I'm laying everything out: the butters, the oils, the essential oils, making sure every ingredient is in place. This isn't just about making a candle, it's about crafting an experience. Every element I choose has a purpose: to nourish, to soothe, to elevate. The wax needs to melt just right, the oils need to absorb effortlessly, and the fragrance, it has to feel like a warm hug after a long day. Precision matters, and this step, aligning my resources, is where the magic begins. All right, gloves on. Because we're not just making any candle here, this is something that's going on someone's skin. And when it comes to skincare, every little detail matters. No shortcuts, no chalta hai attitude. Now, let's weigh these ingredients properly. Because trust me, even a few grams off can change everything. We want this to melt just right, feel just right. So, yeah, precision mode on. Okay, before we even get to the fun part, let's talk about the jar. This little beauty is going to hold under 25 grams of pure skin loving goodness. But first, we prep. Cleaning the jar, non negotiable. Even if it looks spotless, we don't want dust, oils, or anything messing with our final product. Next, wicking. Because what's a candle without a wick, right? And for a massage candle, we need a wick that burns evenly, not too fast, not too slow. And now the magic begins, weighing our raw materials. Because with formulations like this, every gram matters. No eyeballing, no thoda ziyada, thoda kam, just precision. Let's get it perfect. Alright, first up, shea butter. This little powerhouse is the reason why your skin is going to feel soft, nourished, and ridiculously smooth after using this massage candle. Shea butter melts beautifully, blends like a dream, and most importantly, it keeps the oil from feeling greasy. Think of it as the secret ingredient that makes your massage feel luxurious, not sticky. Alright, that's done. On to the next one. Now, this one right here, kokum butter. This is where the magic happens. If you've never used kokum butter before, let me tell you, it's a game changer. It's lightweight, melts fast, and absorbs quickly without that heavy, greasy feeling. That's why I love it for massage candles. See how smooth it looks? This is what's going to make the oil glide effortlessly on your skin while locking in moisture. It's also packed with antioxidants. So, while you're enjoying your massage, your skin is getting some serious nourishment. Alright, that's weighed out perfectly. Let's move on. Next up, beeswax. Now, you might be wondering, why beeswax in a massage candle? Well, this little ingredient does a lot. It helps control the burn rate so the candle doesn't just melt into a puddle too quickly. Plus, it locks in moisture, creating a nice protective layer on the skin without feeling heavy. I also love how beeswax gives the oil a slightly silky texture, not too runny, not too thick, just perfectly balanced. Alright, that's in. Now on to the next ingredient. Alright, now it's time for stearic acid. Sounds super scientific, right? But trust me, this little addition is a game changer. Stearic acid helps stabilize the formulae, making sure the candle melts evenly and smoothly. Without it, you might get an uneven burn or a weird texture in the oil. It also gives the massage oil a luxurious glide. So instead of soaking in too fast or feeling greasy, it stays on the skin just long enough for a perfect massage. Alright, moving on to phase B, the oils. This is where the magic really starts to happen. First up, jojoba oil. Now, if you don't already love jojoba oil, let me put you onto it. It's one of the closest oils to our skin's natural sebum, which means it absorbs like a dream. No greasy afterfeel, just deep, nourishing hydration. It also helps balance the blend, making sure the massage oil glides smoothly without feeling heavy. Plus, it's packed with vitamins and antioxidants, so your skin is getting all the love it deserves. Now, it's time for sweet almond oil. And let me tell you, this one is a game changer. If you've ever wondered what makes a massage oil feel luxurious yet lightweight, this is it. Sweet almond oil is packed with vitamin E, which means it's not just moisturizing, it's actually helping to repair and nourish your skin while you use it. It also gives that perfect slip for a smooth, effortless massage without making your skin feel like it's drowning in oil. Alright, let's get this in and keep going. This blend is coming together beautifully. Alright, now that all our butters and waxes are measured, it's time for the magic to begin, melting them down in a double boiler. This step is crucial because we need everything to blend seamlessly without overheating. If we melt it too fast or at too high a temperature, we risk losing the skin loving properties of our ingredients. So, we're keeping it slow and steady, letting the cocoa butter, shea butter and beeswax melt gently into a silky smooth base. Now that everything has melted down into this beautiful golden blend, it's time for the final touch, Lan Lan Essential Oil. This is where the candle really comes to life. Lan Lan is sweet yet deep, floral yet bold. It's that perfect balance between relaxation and indulgence. And the best part, it's not just about the scent. Lan Lan is known for soothing the senses, reducing stress, and even adding a touch of romance to the atmosphere. But here's the thing, we add it last. Why? Because essential oils are delicate. If we add them when the mixture is too hot, they'll just evaporate and we'll lose all that goodness. So, we're keeping the temperature just right, stirring it in gently, making sure every drop is infused into our luxurious massage candle. And just like that, the base is ready. Next step, pouring it into our jar and letting it set into pure perfection. Let's do this. Now for the final touch, smoothing the top layer and cutting the wick. This is where patience pays off. Once the wax has fully set, we take a moment to check the surface. If there are any uneven spots, a quick pass with a heat gun smooths it out, leaving a flawless, velvety finish. And finally, the wick. Too long and the candle will burn unevenly. Too short and it won't burn at all. So, we trim it down to the perfect height, just about 1/4 inch. And that's it. From raw ingredients to a luxurious, skin-loving massage candle. Handmade, crafted with intention, and ready to melt into warmth the moment it's lit. Now, tell me, Where's the first place you'd use this? A cozy night in, a self-care ritual? Drop it in the comments or DM me to get yours. So this was it, the most beautiful meditative process of what goes into making these beautiful massage candles. And yes, I'm sure you're very much excited to get your hands on it. The process is fairly simple. Like I said, we're going to do this a little differently this time. So there's a wait list where you can kind of register your interest by depositing a small amount upfront. As in when the product launches, we're going to reach out to you for the remaining balance, and you're going to be the one who's going to get the hands on first on this product when it launches. So yeah, that's about it. The waitlist link is going to be shared in the description box below, and I can't wait for you all to experience the beauty of a new body massage candle. And yeah, if you have any questions pertaining to what we are launching or pertaining to this body massage candle, feel free to add it into the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.